Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host and host Aamir, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today we'll be making Pesarattu, which is a famous Andhra Pradesh style crepe made with green moong. Pesarattu is high in protein, requires no fermentation, and is a very healthy breakfast option. So let's begin. To start with, I've soaked some green grams or green moong for about 5 hours at room temperature water. With that, I've also soaked 1 part of idli rice, so 2 parts of whole moong and 1 part of idli rice. After the green moong blooms and increases in shape, we'll blend it with some chillies and some onions. Add little water to blend it in a smooth paste. The Pesarattu batter should be of pouring consistency, yet thick and spreadable. In this way, we'll blend the moong and keep it in a separate bowl. Green moong is high in protein, fiber, and iron. And in the same jar, we'll add our soaked idli rice and blend it with some water. Make sure that you add water little by little and adjust it according to the desired consistency. Once you blend the rice, pour it in the bowl. Add some salt and sugar. Sugar will help the Pesarattu to get a crispy texture and a golden brown color. And now we'll start making the Pesarattu on a non-stick pan. Pour some mixture onto the pan and spread it in circular motion. Make sure that you don't keep spreading it on the same place. Always remember, whenever you are making a dosa or a Pesarattu, keep the pan on medium-high heat. Pour some oil on top. You can also add butter or ghee, it's completely your choice. If there's any raw mixture on the side or on the center or any part of your Pesarattu, just slightly spread it with your spatula. Cook it for another 30 seconds and then slide in your spatula and loosen it from the pan. Once it's cooked, you can remove it and serve it. And here's for those who want to make it on a tawa and not on a non-stick pan. Make sure that your tawa is flat, unlike mine, which has got a slight depression in the center. Secondly, season the pan and check the temperature. If the water floats on top of the pan like this, then it's too much of high heat. Seasoning a pan in simple words means to make it non-stick. To season it, put some oil onto your pan, splash some water and wipe it with a clean cloth. And in the same way, pour some mixture and spread it nicely. I don't have a small vati, hence I'm using a serving spoon. If you have a small vati, use that because it's going to be very helpful. We'll pour some oil and spread it evenly. Slide in your spatula and loosen it. Isn't that nice and crispy? And it's time to make a red chutney. Heat some oil in a pan and pour some Kashmiri red chillies. Saute it nicely and add some sliced onions. Traditionally, Pesarattu is eaten with ginger pickle. We'll add some ginger and saute all of it nicely. We'll blend some coconut. You can also grate them, it's completely your choice. While grating coconut, you can also add some cashew and chana dal. And we'll add the sauteed chili mixture. And now we'll make the tadka for the chutney. We'll add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Also a spoonful of chana dal. You can also add some chopped onions and chopped chillies. Cook all of it nicely. Add some salt, also the tadka, and mix it nicely. And now it's time for us to plate. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then please do hit the subscribe button and like the video. Also share the video within your India once. Take care.